Hey, what's going on YouTube? Champ here. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe and leave a comment down below and we can see what we can work on next. But today we're just going to be doing something fairly simple, probably 10 minutes. We're going to be removing the check engine light based off of the O2 sensor leak. So basically, long story short, I have a 99 Chevy Tahoe. My catalytic converter is going bad. What it would cost me to replace the catalytic converter is basically what my vehicle's worth. So instead of spending all that money, I can do one of three things. I can replace the catalytic converter, or I can straight pipe it, cut it off, and then run a pipe, bypassing the whole thing by using a test pipe or just welding a new pipe down there. Or I can use these little O2 adapters. So basically these O2 adapters are kind of like the spark plug adapters that you can get at O'Reilly's or AutoZone. But these here I got specifically on Amazon. So basically these are, actually I got these on eBay. So basically these are little O2 adapters. What you do is you put the O2 sensor into the adapter, and then you put the adapter into your exhaust. They already have the little filter in there, so there's enough room for the adapter to fit in there, and then these to go into the exhaust. What this does is it tricks the system into thinking the O2 reader's there, but it's actually further back a little bit. So it's just basically tricking the system and bypassing the check engine light. So this will fix my check engine light. It's the cheapest route. These were $8 a piece. I have 3 of these, so we're gonna go ahead and replace these today. You can also, like, if you're interested too, you can go on Amazon. I got this little onboard dash display reader, the OBD reader. So this is what figured out that it was actually the catalytic converter. I did several different things. I changed the gas cap, maybe because I thought it was like a possible air leak. Then I changed all the O2 sensors, and finally the check engine light came on with the same code. So so the code is P0420. It's basically an oxygen leak somewhere, or an oxygen issue. So it's the O2 sensors. I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and then we'll get back to you, show you what I did, and we'll show you that the check engine light's gone. One thing real quick I just wanted to show you is that I just fired up the engine, and you can see here that the check engine light here is on, or the service engine light. But again, like, my truck is really old. I have 204,000 miles on it. It's still running like a champ. But this is what we're gonna do today, just to replace the O2 sensor and put the adapters on there, and then put them back in, and we'll see if the light goes away. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and locate the O2 sensor. So I just crawled under the passenger side, and I can see it there. I replaced the sensors a couple weeks ago, so you can see that they're fairly new. They look fairly new, but once I realized that it wasn't the sensors, we're gonna go ahead and diagnose this problem with the adapters. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I'm using a 7/8 box wrench, and we'll go ahead and take it off, and I'll put the adapter on. All right, as you can see, I went ahead and replaced that. It's kind of hard to get in there. I went ahead and put the adapter on there and the O2 sensor back in. So that's the first one. Pretty sure I only need to replace the one, but I'm gonna replace the 2 in the rear, and the other one is just literally right there. So once I replace that, again, they're both on the passenger side. Once I replace that, I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the engine. And just one side note too is I disconnected the battery, so to just reset the memory. So that should fix, should help reset it if you don't have an onboard displayed sensor, the OBD sensor. So if you don't have one of those, you can just disconnect the battery. But let me go ahead and replace the other one, and then we'll go ahead and fire up the engine. All right, so the moment of truth, I went ahead and put both adapters back in. I put the O2 sensors back into the adapters, and then I reconnected the batteries. So like I said, as a side note, I went ahead and disconnected the battery just to help with clearing the memory. But anyways, this is gonna be the moment of truth. What we just did should trick the system into thinking that the O2 is clean and the check engine light shouldn't be on. So right now is the moment of truth. We're gonna go ahead and fire up this engine and see where we're at. All right, so yep, no check engine light on. You can see there, no check engine. 204,000 miles on this vehicle. you just take care of your vehicle. It takes care of you. You know what I mean? It's a 99 Tahoe, and I didn't want to spend over $2,000 to replace the catalytic converter, so we just went ahead and tricked the system into thinking that clean air is passing through. The cheap route, I got 2 adapters, $8 a piece, paid $17 and some change for you know, after taxes and shipping and stuff. But yeah, it's already cleared. It's a really quick fix. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. It helps the channel out, and then I'm going to start continuously adding more videos. Again, this is Champ here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.